It is that time of year where we have started seeing lights, color, celebrations everywhere. Some people start their preparation from a month before, but for some it just starts a day before the event. Choosing between time and effort is also one thing which one might think about. हेलो गाइस, मैं हूं सुजीता। वेलकम बैक टू हैक आइडिया ट्रिक। अगर आप इस चैनल में नए हो तो डेफिनेटली सब्सक्राइब। आई रेगुलरली अपलोड सच सॉर्ट ऑफ वीडियोस एवरी वीक। और अगर आपको आज की वीडियो पसंद आई तो गिव इट अ थम्स अप। कोई क्वेरीज हो तो कमेंट सेक्शन में आप कमेंट लिख सकते हो एंड आई विल बी क्विक टू रिस्पॉन्ड। इसी के साथ चलिए शुरू करते हैं। आज मैं आपके साथ कुछ सिंपल टेक्निक्स शेयर करूँगी जो आप किसी भी ओकेजन या फिर फेस्टिवल में यूज़ कर सकते हो अपने घर को डेकोरेट करने के लिए। इसके लिए आपको ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करना पड़ेगा एंड एट द सेम टाइम ज़्यादा टाइम भी नहीं लगाना पड़ेगा। तो चलिए देखते हैं क्या है वो टेक्निक्स। आई यूजुअली स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द होम एंट्रेंस। एंट्रेंस को डेकोरेट करने के लिए मैंने सिंपल कांच के ग्लास में पानी भर लिया है एंड आई एम जस्ट एडिंग फूड कलर ऑन इट। आफ्टर एडिंग फूड कलर आई एम एक्चुअली प्लानिंग टू मेक फ्लोटिंग कैंडल ओवर हियर. I will just be adding color on both the glasses of equal amount. Properly stirring it will make sure that the color is dissolved properly, and then I can add the candle whichever I want to complete the look. Here I am using a flower shaped candles and that is it. You just have to light it up and जहाँ पे भी आपको डेकोरेट करने का मन हो you can make it. It's very easy and very simple, and at the same time it looks really elegant. Decorating home entrance shows the start of the show and it gives warm welcome also. क्यों है ना quick and easy? After entrance I'll be moving to the dining area. To start off, I'll just remove everything from the table, and as per the occasion, I will be opting for something different and also a pop of color which I would prefer using based on the event which I would like to decorate my house for. Mix and match and play with something which you might already have, and you will see what wonder and what impact it is going to give to whole and complete look. चाहिए है तो थोड़ी सी creativity. So now on this particular dining table, I am just doing the regular stuff which we usually do, but just to add color, I have used this table runner which is of yellow color. और जो ये गोल्डन क्रिस्टल बॉल्स आप देख रहे हो ये कैंडल होल्डर्स हैं, ये हमारे पास पहले से ही थे. आई हैव जस्ट रिप्लेस द प्लेस and with this table napkin I'm trying to make flower. Even this option you can do it for any specific event which you might have at your home. ऐसा कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है कि फेस्टिवल है तो ही करना है. कुछ ओकेजन हो सकते हैं, कुछ सेलिब्रेशन हो सकते हैं, कोई स्पेशल डे हो सकता है या फिर आपका मूड चेंज हो सकता है. You can do it any time and this will also not take much of your time. Adding some candle to brighten up the space, and with this I think we are good to go. But it seems this vase is not actually looking that good because it's taller as compared to the other options which is close to it, so I might be changing it. And yes, I was correct. I think this vase looked much more better as compared to that wine glass which I was having. Let me know, what do you think? आप भी ऐसे कैंडल्स और ऐसे फ्लावर्स कहीं पे भी यूज़ कर सकते हो and it is going to add charm to that particular place. Now moving to our drawing room balcony. We already have this sheer curtain on our balconies, door and windows, and there is already fairy lights there. Now I'm planning to add some of these artificial leaves, and at the same time क्योंकि Indian festival season है तो I'm planning to add little bit of artificial flowers as well. These flowers and leaves are easily available online. आप एक बार ले लोगे आपका साथ ये सालों साल देंगे. So there is no harm in buying any of these. I have these S hook which I will use to hang these along with the rod of the curtain, and it's easy for me to just remove whenever I want to remove it. आपके occasion या event के हिसाब से आप decide कर सकते हो what you prefer hanging there. If you only prefer flowers or only prefer leaves, that is your choice and I leave it up to you. Right now I am decorating for Diwali, so I'll be going with flower and leaves both, as it will add little bit of color and greeneries both. If you can add lights, that is obviously going to enhance the look which you will be looking for. We already have these kind of fairy lights attached already on these rods, and I'll be just mixing it with the flower and leaves, and once I'll be lighting it up, it will really give a very beautiful look. Fairy lights on करो और घर की सारी lights off कर दो, and then just see how beautiful it is going to look. Definitely try this and let me know what you feel about it. अब आ जाते हैं center table पे. So this is drawing room center table, and I am, as you all know, decorating for Diwali and helping you guys to know what all things you can do in not much of a time. This is another technique. So यहाँ पे मैंने एक ट्रे लिया है जिसमें मैंने बहुत सारी पोटपोरीज डाल दी है just for their beautiful fragrance, and there is a glass bowl again above it, and there also I'll be adding color, and I'm trying to make one more floating candle. Floating candles are one of my favorite. इसको करना बहुत आसान है, and at the same time it will never fail you in any of the way. Just add some of the tea light candles and you can just see how beautiful it is going to look and enhance the space overall. तो कुल मिला के ये 4 मेथड हैं जो इजी हैं, ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लेते हैं, एंड एट द सेम टाइम बहुत अच्छे और सुंदर भी लगते हैं. Definitely try any of these at your home and let me know your thought about it. वीडियो अगर पसंद आई हो तो गिव इट अ थम्स अप, और अगर आप कोई क्वेश्चंस हो तो आप कमेंट में मैसेज कर सकते हो. एट द सेम टाइम मैं बहुत सारे डेकोर से रिलेटेड वीडियोस इसी वीडियो पे लिंक कर दूंगी, आप उन्हें चेकआउट कर सकते हो इफ़ इन केस यू आर लुकिंग आउट फॉर समथिंग. एंड एट द सेम टाइम आई विश इफ़ यू गाइज आर प्लानिंग टू एंजॉय एनी ऑफ द फेस्टिवल ड्यूरिंग दीज सीजन्स, definitely enjoy it, and at the same time keep safety as your priority. With that, I have to end this video. I'll be back with something new आपके खुद के चैनल में हिट. तब तक के लिए बाय.